guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we'll be showing you how to make a reusable fabric bag.
The materials you will need will be your two types of fabrics, pins and scissors.
Fold your fabric and measure 39 centimeters.
Cut it out. Now fold it inside out and sew the two edges.
When you're done with that, cut a new long strip of fabric.
Sew the edge inside out.
Do this process twice.
Now turn both of them inside out.
Place the sewing line in the middle.
Place both straps on the top of the bag.
Make sure to hem them correctly.
And now sew along both sides.
Turn it inside out.
Sew the edges of the straps.
And there you have your beautiful bag. It looks amazing and is really handy to have around you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Bye!